Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I'll be demonstrating the fastest and the easiest way to cut and sew a flounce of any length. Hi, my name is Ayo and welcome to 011 Clothings Tutorials. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you. So I have this basic skirt piece for the front and I intend to fix a continuous flounce at this upper part and also by the side. So what I intend to do is to measure the total length at the top and also by the side of the skirt. Whatever value I get, I will divide it by 3. You can also make it more than 3. It depends on the fullness you want for the flounce and the quantity of fabric you are working with. But on the average, dividing by 3 is very okay. The length I got for the flounce after measurement is 47 inches. I will now go ahead and divide 47 inches by 3, and this gave me approximately 15.7 inches. I'm dividing by 3 because I intend to join 3 pieces of full circle flares together to make the flounce. To estimate the radius for the flounce, I will divide 15.7 by 6.28, and this gave me approximately 2.5 inches. I'm dividing by 6.28 because I will be cutting a full circle flounce. So I have here 6 pieces of fabric which I will be using to cut the flounce. I will cut 3 pieces of 360 flares for the main fabric and also another 3 pieces of 360 flares for the lining. So I will cut one full circle flare first and I will use this as a template to cut the other pieces. So I will fold the fabric into 2 like this. Then I will fold it into 2 again, making a total of 4 layers. The radius that we estimated earlier is 2.5 inches. So I will measure and mark 2.5 inches like this, starting from this corner. I will also go ahead and measure out the length I want for the flounce. I used 8 inches for the length. You can use more or less than 8 inches. It depends on the design you are making and probably your taste as well. I will now go ahead and cut it out. I will cut open just one side of the full circle flare. So as you can see, this is the flare. It's a full circle as you can see. I will now go ahead and use this as a template to cut out the remaining flares. So now that has been done, I have here 6 pieces of flares which I have already cut out. It is a full circle flare as you can see. So I will join these 3 pieces together and also these 3 pieces together separately, such that we end up having 2 pieces of long stretch of flounce. One will be for the outer part while the other will be for the lining. Now that has been done, I've joined the pieces together And I've also joined the main fabric and the lining piece together at the hem, and I've also turned it to the right side. I've also pressed it, as you can see. I've pressed the outer edges, as you can see. I will now bring in the front skirt piece that I intend to attach the flounce to. I will now go ahead and secure the flounce to the skirt with my pins. After doing this, I will take it to my sewing machine and stitch it in place. So now that has been done, as you can see. So that's it, guys, we are done. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next tutorial. Bye and thank you for watching.